One more example, finding zeros, y equals 3x squared minus 6x plus 2. To find the zeros, I need to make it equal to 0 first. And I got two choices, factor and solve, or use quadratic formula, but let's try quadratic formula. So that's my A, my B, and my C. Quadratic formula says x equals not 0 equals, but x equals minus b, so minus 6 gives me positive 6, plus or minus the square root of b squared. Well, minus 6 squared, that's minus 6 times minus 6, is positive 36, minus 4 times a times c. Okay, divided by 2a. On a is 3. Let's work it out. So that's going to be 6 plus or minus 36 minus 4 times 3 times 2. That gives us 24. Notice that there's only one minus. If there were two negative signs, that would have been a plus. But in this case, it's actually a minus. Divided by 6. Okay, so let's break it up into two little ones. So we have that x is 6 minus the square root of 36 minus 24 is 12 divided by 6. That's my minus one. And then I have to do the other one, which is x is equal to 6 plus square root of 12 divided by 6. And now I have to be careful with my calculator. When I plug this in, I gotta say 6 minus square root of 12, enter, divided by 6, or put brackets around it and do it in one shot. And that gives me 0.42. When I plug in the other one, 6 plus root gives me 1.58 rounded. It's really 577, but I rounded up to 0.58. And if I plug those numbers back in here, you'll see that these numbers will make it go to 0.